Okay, so hello, good evening. My name is Paola Arias, and I am here with Noralba Milena and with Mario Jose. We are going to do the activity of the course Colombian Education. So Mario is going to ask the first question. Okay, yes, Colombia, Colombia has been lately, give me 1 second. Okay, I believe Colombia has been trying to implement a new school method, but it hasn't been really well applied. I think that it still needs a lot of work to do. I have the experience of being an English teacher at many schools, and I know that some schools are applying it very well, but especially private schools. Public schools are not really doing an effort. Yes, maybe because they don't have enough resources to do it, or just maybe because they are not trained for it. But I believe that it still has a lot of work to do. Okay. So number two, this question is for Mario. Do you agree that in the last 20 years Colombia has invested more resources in education, and if the results have been as expected? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mario. Now, this question number three is for Noralba Milena. They are in accordance with the current evaluation systems of Colombian education. What is your opinion according to the topic that you chose to speak about, which is assessment systems? Do you think they are according? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you, Milena. Now, question. The last question is for all of us to answer. According to the topics consulted from each one, what suggestion would you make to the Ministry of Education and their methodology that they are currently using? Mario? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you, Mario. And Milena, what do you think about what suggestion would you give to the Ministry of Education and their methodology that they are implying? Mm-hmm. Okay, I agree with both of you, and I believe that first, as Mario said, the government has to do investment in education, in laptops, not only physical resources, but also training teachers, also, as you said, sending native, yeah, software as well, and as you said, sending native teachers in order to be a support for teachers here as well and for students. And I also agree with what Milena said that it's very important to like the whole structure of the school to be working on the same mission, like not only the English teachers, it's not only for them, it's also for the principals, it's also for the directors, for all the administration and school staff. So yes, it's everybody like speaking the same language. I think that the Ministry of Education has a lot of work to do, because I believe that the education in Colombia is not the best, and we have seen it in all the rankings that we have in education in Latin America. We are beyond, no, we are between the worst countries in education, and that's very, very embarrassing. So I think that they have to do something about it, and they have to change like the whole curriculum or the methodology that is being implying. I don't know, something has to be changed. Yes, but something has to be changed, because I don't believe that we are receiving the best education. Okay. So does somebody want to say anything else before we finish the call? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It can be very distracting. I agree. It can be very distracting. You use it to do an activity on a website, but they start chatting or using Facebook or something. Yes. Maybe using some other tools, different. Uh-huh. Okay. I think that's it. I think that we can finish the call for today, right? Do you agree? Okay, I think it was Mitch. Thank you very much for attending and okay. Bye bye. Have a good night. Okay.